Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video I'm going to show you how I made some sawhorses out of some pallets that I tore apart. You're going to need two boards. These boards that I used, they're 41 inches long. Yep, so this pencil's got my initials on it. It's no big deal. So I'm going to be marking the centers of this board. Right here I marked it 1 inch down, and I'm marking the center. This is the top board. One of the 41 inch boards. I'm just marking the center. You'll see why here in a minute why I'm doing that. And you want to do both sides of that board, marking the centers. Yep, just mark the center. Now we're going to be marking a 1 inch down, and you'll see why here in a minute. This is going to be the bottom of that 41 inch board, the second board. So you mark the center of that when you're going to drill 2 pilot holes on this end, 2 pilot holes on the other end. Now the top board, we're back on it again. I'm marking this board every 8 inches. And this is going to be for my pocket hole screws. So I'm just using 8 inches on each end and then the 2 in the middle. Now I'm going to be drilling the pocket holes. If you don't have one of these, I got that for Christmas. I really enjoy it. You can find a link in the description box down below on how to get that from Amazon, and you will really like it. I promise you that. So you're going to just drill 4 pocket hole screws. If you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. This is a great video on how to save some money. Just tear down a couple pallets and use the 2x4s off of it to make some sawhorses. The only thing I really got in it is these screws. Now you're going to see why I marked the centers of the boards. So use your little clamp and line the centers up just like this. You're going to make like a T, not an I-beam, but a T-beam. You see how I line that up. Now you're going to put where those pilot holes you're drilled in it, you're going to put 2-inch screws, 2 of them on this end and 2 of them on that end, 2-inch wood screws. Remove your clamps. Now right here I'm using 2-inch pocket hole screws, like a Craig screw, and this is for softwoods. The threads are a little different, but they're 2-inch screws. Now here we go on the legs. Cut these boards at a 14-degree angle, and don't forget to use your safety glasses because these do have nails left in them because they're pallets. And you see you got an angle right here. Use the longest part, and you want to mark 31 inches to do this and cut it off. The same thing here I'm showing you. Mark it out 31 inches and then cut it off. You do 4 of them like that. Now we're going to take those legs and we're going to mark a 1 inch and a 3.5 inch on all 4 legs. 1 inch and a 3.5 inch. You want to make sure that you do that mark on the long side of the board from that 14-degree angle that you cut on it. Now on the top, when you drill 1 hole, pilot hole, and then on the second line, that 3.5 inch line, you want to put 2 pilot holes. On the 3.5 inch line, you want to use 2-inch screws. And on the 1 inch line, you want to use a 3-inch screw. Now you need to cut 2 boards 14 inches long. These are your braces. take those two boards, you want to cut them at a 25-degree angle, left angle on the left side. Now you want to change it to a 25-degree angle on the right side. Line it up with the corner there. Chop it off. Do both of them. And you'll see why here in a minute. Now we're going to drill some pilot holes. 2 of them on each end on both boards. 2 here, 2 there, 2 boards. 2 this, 2 that, 2 everything. Go ahead and put you some screws in it. Those are 2-inch screws, by the way. All right, now we got the lines again. Line that board up with the line on the T-beam and make sure that the side right there is lined up as well. Flip it over, line them up. Run that 3-inch screw in. Run the other 2 screws in. Now you're going to put the brace on that we cut at a 25-degree on both ends. Flip the sawhorse over and do the same thing on the other end. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Use the comment section down below. I answer every comment. Every comment. So there you go. Y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. You come back.